Hi, welcome. I'm Joe. Today we'll be making a dog collar, and let's get started with the materials you'll need. You'll need 1-inch nylon webbing, bias tape, a slider, a D-ring, and side release buckle, a sewing machine, thread, and scissors. First, measure and cut your nylon webbing to the desired length. Next, we'll add the bias tape to the webbing. This will give the collar a nice finished look and add some extra strength. Simply place the bias over the edges of the webbing and pin in place. Take your time and sew to make sure that your lines are straight and even. Now let's add the slider. Place your collar, one end of your collar, up and over the slider bar. Fold over and take it to your sewing machine and sew across a few times to make sure that it is secure. Next, let's add the side release buckle. So place your collar through the side release buckle and pull it down out of the way. And it should look like this. Now you're going to place that end over the slider bar as shown in the video. And make sure you give yourself enough room to attach the other pieces. So this is what you should have at this stage. Now we're going to take the other end and, well, the same end, and we're going to place it through the D-ring. The D-ring is where you will attach your dog's leash. And now we're going to add the other end of the side release buckle. Okay, so just follow the video and place the collar under the D-ring and pull. And then in this space we will stitch across multiple times to make sure that it's secure. You can also use a zigzag stitch in this area because I believe that a zigzag stitch will be stronger than the straight stitch. I did not use a zigzag stitch, I used a straight stitch, so you can do that. Note, if you have a large dog, you can use a wider webbing, about 1.5 inches or 2 inches wide, for more security and strength. Finally, adjust the length of the collar and make sure that all the components are secure. Try it on your dog to ensure a comfortable fit. And there you have it, a custom-made dog collar that is both stylish and sturdy. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoy this project, please like and subscribe for more DIY projects. Happy sewing!